Today we'll be walking you through a basic Ezoic Leap setup and configuration. Once you've navigated to the Ezoic Leap screen on your dashboard under the Speed tab, you'll first start at the main dash. At the bottom here, you'll immediately notice the recommendations that Ezoic may have for you on your site. You can view alternatives to different types of technology that you may want to explore for your website, as some of these technologies may not be ideal and may prevent your site from being as fast as it possibly could be, or potentially not passing core web vitals. You can also test individual URLs by going to the Tester tab and testing individual parts of your site. You can also check out our leaderboard to see other sites that are fast or have passing core web vitals, to see both their technologies, their Ezoic Leap settings, and the features that they're using. While it might be tempting to try their settings on your site, we recommend starting from scratch to get started. Once you've enabled Ezoic Leap on your site, you can navigate to the Optimization Settings tab to begin one of two selections. You can ask for someone to set it up for you, but today we'll be showing you how to set it up yourself. To see how the recommended settings work on your site, click on Change Settings and then Next to begin the preview. It'll open a special URL that will preview these settings on your site. You'll want to ensure you're logged out of WordPress. Then we recommend copying this URL and pasting it into a new incognito window. Once there, right-click and click Inspect. And this will open Chrome Developer Tools. From here, you can navigate to the Lighthouse tab and click Generate Report under Categories Performance and Device Mobile selected. This site received a 96 performance score inside of Google's Lighthouse. Unfortunately, my CLS, or Cumulative Layout Shift, is still not passing, and it's one of the key core web vitals. Here I can also see in the rendering that my menu is open. This is likely the cause of the CLS. I can troubleshoot this by going to the Ezoic Chrome extension inside of my incognito window and using the Leap tab to troubleshoot the CLS. I can turn on my script debugger tool, which is one of the easiest ways to understand why a menu or something like that may not be working on your website. From here, it identifies exactly where the CLS is and offers for me to try the CLS debugger or script delay debugger tool. From here, I've already done a little bit of research and have a good idea of what scripts may be causing my menu to stay open on mobile load. Here, I navigate to the external file that I would like to exclude from script delay, and I do the same here where I find the JavaScript library in which my menu is called from. And I'm going to exclude both of these in a new version of the site, and I'm going to view the CLS once again. Ezoic will open a separate tab now, run the test, and we'll see if the CLS has improved. I can see here that my CLS is passing now and faster than it was before. I can click on Activate here and then navigate back to my Ezoic Leap dashboard. Here, under Optimization Settings, I can go to my settings history now and find the version that I just created with my script debugger tool. I can make sure that these settings were applied by going to Advanced Settings inside of Script Delay, identifying that the scripts that I excluded are in fact excluded inside of Advanced Tools. Now I can preview my site once again, copy that URL, post it into an incognito window, open Chrome Developer Tools by right-clicking once again, and this will give me the opportunity to run the test with these scripts excluded from the script delay feature, which is helping my website pass core web vitals and be much faster for visitors. Success! Although my score is technically a 94 now, I'm passing all three core web vitals, and you can see my CLS is actually listed as 0 inside of the tool, and in the rendering my mobile menu is closed. So now I can click on Next and actually activate this version of my site. The rocket shows me that this version is now active, and I'm going to clear the Ezoic Leap cache. This is slightly different from your website cache, which you'll have to navigate down to the caching app, open the app, and then you can clear the entire cache of your site. This may take 10 to 15 minutes before it begins showing to actual visitors, but you may want to make sure that if you have any other caching going on your website, that override cache control headers is set to true. This ensures that Ezoic is delivering every component of the site lightning fast from the cache. For more information, visit support.ezoic.com.